So let's get right into these packs. So first, we have this Charizard pack. Let me just open this one up. Man, this pack got really slippery for a second. Let's get these cards out. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's move the rare ones to the back. So first, we're going to start off with a Krabby, a Ghastly, a Water Energy, Doduo, nice full card holographic Krabby again, a Gulpin, Max Revive, another trainer card, nice, I'm not sure what you would call this, but Dedenne. Don't make fun of me about that one, but it's a nice holographic card. And a Snorlax. Not bad from a first pack. Let's get into the Pikachu pack. Well, we left a card in the pack. It's always fun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And I think we're messing this up, but who knows? So we got a trainer card up first. A Pikachu. A Geodude. And Grass Energy. A Machop. And a Venusaur EX card. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. A Charmander. A Team Flare Grunt. A Diglett. Full card holographic. Well, full holographic card. And a Meowstic. Also holographic. Not bad from a Pikachu pack. Let's get into a Blastoise pack. And if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. Let's try not to leave any cards in this time. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I know I'm messing these up bad, so don't cringe too hard about it. So we're going to start off with the Paris. Go into another Machop. A Slowpoke. A Electric Energy. A holographic Fairy Energy. An Esper. A Haunter. A red card, and in Gardevoir EX. That's actually a really good card. So, yeah, that's pretty nice. Full card holographic. And a Dugtrio. Our best pack yet. You can say Blastoise is probably the best starter at this point. We're getting into a Pikachu pack now. So let's get these cards out of the pack. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We start out with a Dark Energy, a Geodude, a Zubat, a Tangela, a Holographic Graveler, a Floral Crown, a Max Revive, a Haunter, a Holographic Frostlass, and last but certainly not least, a Hitmonlee. These Pikachu packs have been letting us down. So let's go for our first Venusaur pack. Make sure we don't want to cut the top of the cards off. We left the card in there. That's just nice. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we start off with another Tangela, a Meowth, an Energy, a Caterpie, a Holographic Clefable, a Wobbuffet, another trainer card, a Golbat, a Holographic Altaria, and last but not least again, Hitmonlee. Man, no wonder we shouldn't open up these Venusaur packs. No hate on Venusaur though. We need another big pull from from Blastoise this time. Sorry if you hear some sniffling in the background or some coughing. I am currently sick with a cold right now, so yeah, just be aware of that. 1, 2, 3, and 2. So we start off with a Caterpie, a Pikachu, a Geodude, a Grass Energy, a Holographic Trainer, a Snorunt, another trainer card, another trainer card, and Sylveon EX, nice, and a Tauros. Another big pull from Blastoise. So we're going to open up another Venusaur pack. Man, that scissors made a lot of noise. If you have any tips or suggestions to do for my next pack opening, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So we start off with a Rhyhorn. Move on to a Meowth, a Caterpie, our third Krabby, I think, a Holographic Snorlax, Swablu, a trainer card, a Metapod, ooh, a Holographic Jirachi, and a Ninetales EX. That is really good. Venusaur didn't let us down this time. So time to move on. Time to move on to this Charizard pack. These cards are really hard to get out of this pack. They're really tight. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I know what the count is now, but there's no point in switching up the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It kind of sounds cool. So we're going to start off with the Paris. We're going to move on to a Tangela, a Meowth, an Energy, a Trainer card, holographic, a Gulpin, another Trainer card, a Pokemon Fan Club, and a Gardevoir EX this time. And a Mickey Minaj, also known as Jinx. Charizard didn't do too bad of a job. Move on to our second to last pack, Pikachu. So let's get these out of the pack. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So we're going to start off with a Diglett, a Grass Energy, Magikarp, Ponyta, a holographic Haunter, which isn't that bad, another Charmander, our first Machoke, a Clefable, another holographic Dendian, and a Vaporeon EX. That is not a bad card. So Pikachu was an alright pack for this opening. Time to move to our last pack, Blastoise. Blastoise hasn't let us down yet, so let's hope he don't let us down now. This time I'm actually going to do it right. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I think that's how it goes. So let's start off with a Water Energy, a Diglett, our first Clefairy, another Rhyhorn, a holographic Pokeball, another Trainer card, another Trainer card, and a holographic Charizard, a holographic Gengar, and an Esper. Get 2 cards that we don't have yet out of our Blastoise pack. Not too bad. And if you guys have liked and enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.